Today, we're making Egg Foo Young. This right here might be the easiest and most satisfying dish you cook tonight. Let's get started. Start with the sauce. Cornstarch, oyster sauce, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, sugar, white pepper, chicken bouillon, Shaoxing wine, and sesame oil. Mix everything well first. Now add the water. Bring it to the stove over medium heat. Keep stirring as it starts to thicken. Once it boils and turns glossy, set it aside. Now let's prepare the slurry for the eggs. Just cornstarch and water. Now beat 4 eggs. Add a pinch of salt. Then pour in the slurry and continue to beat. Now let's prepare the ingredients. Garlic, shallots, onions. I like to add some barbecue pork. And some shrimp as well. Over medium-high heat, stir-fry the onions. Add the shallots. Then the garlic. Next, add the shrimp. And the barbecue pork. Lastly, add the bean sprouts. Add a pinch of salt. Don't cook them for too long. Just a quick fry before it goes into the omelette. Place all the ingredients into the beaten eggs and mix gently. Now in a separate pan on medium-high heat, add oil. Once the pan is hot, pour everything in. Spread it out evenly, but don't move it too much. We don't want to break the omelette. Once the bottom and the sides loosen from the pan, slide it onto a plate. Now for the fun part. This technique is called the Ding Ding 50 flip technique. It's called 50 because you have a 50% chance it won't break. Simply place the pan over the plate, flip it, and there you go. A kind of okay looking omelette. Luckily, it's very easy to fix. Just use your spatula and shape it back nicely. Now reduce the heat to medium and cook until the egg is fully set. Lastly, pour the sauce on top. Garnish with green onions if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, click here to watch last week's video, or click here to watch a video that I handpicked just for you.